Welcome to Sima Marine, and today I'm going to be showing you the 2003 57 Carver Voyager. Length overall is 59 feet 1 inch. Beam is 15 feet 3 inches. Bridge clearance is 19 feet. The boat is equipped with Volvo Penta inboards rated at 675 horsepower apiece, and they are the D12s. Boat has 800 gallons worth of diesel fuel. Cruise speed is 21 knots. Wide open throttle is about 27 knots. 200 gallon water tank, 100 gallon waste tank. Going into the salon, the boat offers hardwood floors, full wraparound seating with incliners. Bar stools, chairs, TV. You have 360-degree windows for a lot of natural lighting. And the salon, the boat offers a full entertainment system with Bose surround sound speakers. Moving into the galley, you have storage with refrigerator, 3-burner electric range, convection microwave with coffee maker, trash compactor, lots of storage, and a freezer with ice maker. Going up to the lower station, you have full electronics, backup camera and engine cam. Electronics would include the Ray Marine series with chart chip, VHF radio, autopilot, depth finder, compass, and VHF radio. Bow and stern thruster, and you do have the full Raytheon Ray Pilot joystick sitting right here. From the captain's chair, we're going to do the wraparound seating. The boat does have 320 hours on her. And then you got your stairs leading up into the bridge. Going up to the bridge, you have a full wet bar with grill, full wraparound seating. The bridge does have full enclosure with hardtop. Up at the helm, again you have backup camera, full Ray Marine electronics, bow and stern thruster. From the pilot house we go down below to 3 staterooms and 2 heads. Entering first is going to be the third stateroom. The third stateroom offers bunk beds. From there we go forward until the VIP stateroom. It's going to have a queen berth, flat screen LCD TV, plenty of storage, and you also have access. The guest head is equipped with vanity mirror, vacuum flush head system, and it does have a separate shower stall. From here we're going to go to the master stateroom. Master stateroom has washer and dryer, a full head with bath, flat screen LCD TV, plenty of storage cabinets and cupboards. On the left hand side you'll have your head. Again, that's a vacuum flush system. And on the right hand side you'll have your shower with tub. Quick view of the master stateroom vacuum flush head. Down in the engine room we have a pair of Volvo Penta D12s rated at 675 horsepower apiece. Again, the boat has 320 hours on it. Kohler generator, which is further forward, and that has 535 hours on it. Thank you for viewing the 2003 57 Carver Voyager.